fix this, first what you need to do here is to change your DNS server addresses. I will show you on Windows PC, but it will work on Mac as well. But of course, steps will be a little bit different, right? So all I need to do here is to go to Control Panel, make sure to select by category, Network and Internet, Network Sharing Center, then change adapter settings, find your internet connection, right-click Properties, look for Internet Protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses, and preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, apply the changes. Then what you need to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, and then you need to run zmin. Here you need to write few commands. First one is ipconfig/flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. And then what you need to do here is to go to settings, network and internet, advanced network settings, and here should be network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And also, it can happen due to your antivirus and your Windows Defender firewall. So what I suggest to do here is temporarily just disable Windows Defender firewall. As you can see here, you can turn on or off, just disable it. And then if you're using some sort of antivirus software, disable it as well. And also you can disable Windows security here, right? And it should work. So yeah, that's basically it.